A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, launching thousands of tiny droplets into the air in a split second. Just imagine the sheer force behind something as simple as a sneeze, propelling germs at speeds faster than most roller coasters. This incredible speed allows a single sneeze to spread particles across an astonishing distance, impacting those around us in an instant. Next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember you're about to unleash a microburst of energy that rivals nature's own powerful gusts.